Okay, we're gonna do stop signs, and we're gonna do first clutch in and brake to the stop sign, and then brake and then clutch in, and then after that we'll do shifting down to the stop sign. And what I want you to notice, this place, it runs in a loop, so it's the same stop sign. So first we're gonna do clutch in and brake to the stop sign, clutch in, brake, first gear, clutch up, give a little bit of gas. Gonna go to next stop sign. And when you're first learning, that those first couple of hours or day, you're gonna be doing clutch in and brake because you're not confident about how slow you can go before coming to a stop without pressing the clutch. So I'm clutching in, braking, put to first gear, clutch up, gas, accelerate, next stop sign. Really, there's not much to this except understanding the difference between clutching in and braking and then clutching in. When you're going slow speed, you're clutching in and braking. You're creeping in traffic, clutch in and brake. Move a little, clutch in and brake. Maybe you're going uphill, very slow, and you have to come to a stop. You don't have to touch the brakes too hard on a steep uphill, so you're going to be ready to clutch in and brake. Once you get the car moving with some momentum, then you can ease on the brakes over longer distances without having to clutch in. But this is something you should be learning, like the very first thing you're doing is moving the car around and then coming to a stop by clutching in and braking. So I clutch in, brake to the stop sign, first gear, clutch up, give a little bit of gas, gas off, clutch in, second gear, smooth clutch up, accelerate to the next stop sign. Gonna put the third gear, gas off, clutch in, third gear, smooth clutch out, give a little bit of gas, and there's the stop sign right around the corner. Maybe I'm gonna brake a little, then I'm gonna clutch in, brake, come to a stop. I'm in third gear, gonna put it to first gear, clutch up, give a little bit of gas, second gear, there's another stop sign right ahead, gonna clutch in and brake, put to first gear. So you can see when I clutch in and brake, I am clutching in over a long distance really early, and I'm holding that clutch down over a long distance, and then as I come closer to stop sign, I'm braking. No big deal, except that I'm holding the clutch in for no real reason, except that I'm timid and I'm not sure about, I'm afraid the car is going to stall out, and I feel comfortable clutching in and then braking. So another one, we're going to clutch in and brake. Okay, so now we're going to do brake and then clutch in. This is the same stop sign we started at. I'm in second gear and third gear. Gonna brake, and then I'm going to clutch in right close to the line. Put it to first gear, clutch up, give a little bit of gas, accelerate, second gear, third gear, gonna go to the next stop sign. And what this allows me to do, if I brake and then clutch in, I don't have to worry about the clutch. I don't have to hold it down for that long distance, and it's easier on my leg, and I have good control of my speed over a long distance where I'm braking, and then as I get to the line, I'm clutching it. I'm gonna put the second gear, smooth clutch up, a little bit of gas, accelerate out of the turn, third gear, stop sign is just up ahead. Alright, there's a stop sign. I'm in third gear. I'm gonna brake. I'm gonna brake right up to the line. Right here, I'm gonna clutch in, put it in neutral maybe, relax if I want, car goes by, first gear, clutch up, second gear, third gear. I'm going to put it to fourth gear. No reason I'd put it to fourth gear normally. I'm going to put to fourth. You know what? I'll put to fifth. And I'm going downhill, so I'm just rolling downhill. There's a stop sign on the left. I'm going to brake, control my speed right up until the stop sign. Right here, going to clutch in. First gear. This man might want to cross, so I'm going to put it to neutral. Let him cross. Clutch in. First gear. Clutch up. Second gear. Third gear. Gonna brake up until the stop sign. Gonna make a right. There's another stop sign. Gonna brake. Right here, clutch in. Put to first gear. Clutch up. Gonna creep up so I can look left and right and left. And I'm gonna hold my clutch down because I'm ready to go. So second gear, third gear, gonna make a left here. I'm in third gear, gonna leave it in third gear. Ease on the gas. There's a stop sign at the top of the hill. out in the snow. So I'm gonna brake. Gonna clutch in. Come to a stop. Gonna move up a bit. I'm on a bit of a hill, so I'm gonna clutch up. Give a little bit of gas. Move forward. Coast is clear. Clutch up. Give gas. Coming back to our first stop sign, okay? So that was clutch in and brake stop signs, and then brake, clutch in, stop signs, okay? Now we're gonna do downshift to stop sign. So I'm in 4th gear. I'm gonna put to 3rd gear. I don't know why I would put it down to 2nd gear. It just doesn't make sense to me, because I'd brake, clutch in, put to 1st. I know I'm gonna have to come to a stop. There's no guessing about it. There's no other way. I'm gonna have to come to a stop. Why do I want to downshift for that stop sign? It doesn't make sense to me, but I know a lot of people like to downshift for their stop signs, and maybe it makes sense to them. I guess nothing wrong with that. There's really no way to screw this up or do it wrong. As long as you understand that you have to control your brakes up until the stop. It's not about the clutch, it's about controlling your speed and not forgetting about your brakes. So we'll go to the next stop sign, and I'm in 3rd gear. We'll put it down to 2nd gear, see how that looks. I could understand if there's some traffic, but if it's clear like this, I don't really see the reasoning behind it. So I'm going to put the 2nd gear. Now I'm going to go down to 1st. Doesn't make sense to me. Okay, there's another stop sign. I'm in 4th gear. I'm going to put to 3rd gear. Going to put to 2nd gear. And that's downshifting for stop signs. Do you have to downshift? I don't think you do, but if you feel comfortable, go ahead. And I don't really see anything wrong with it. 3rd gear. Put to 2nd gear. 1st gear. Gonna make a left, clutch up, give gas. Okay, so we might have some traffic at the stop sign, and they're going pretty slow. Gonna brake. I have to put it to 2nd gear. I have to put to 1st gear. Gonna clutch up, give a little bit of gas. You have to make that decision quickly on the hill. We were on a hill, and they just decided to stop like that. So I'm gonna brake, clutch in, first gear, we'll make a left. Go to that stop sign there. So I'm braking. Going real slow. Now I'm gonna clutch in. If you feel the car shakes right before you clutch in, don't worry about it. You're not doing anything wrong, just clutch in. Gonna hold the clutch down, clutch up, give gas, second gear, third gear. Are we coming up to a red light? It's a red light. And I'm gonna have to come to a stop here. I'm gonna put the second gear, clutch up, give a little bit of gas, accelerate.